Ayan, that is the Observatory Well, EIA. Owned and managed by EIA. And yan, madilim ang kalangitan ngayon guys. Ayan. May nagbabadyang ulan, so sana hindi umulan. Ayan. And that is the IFC. Ayan, ang ganda ng IFC guys. Ayun. Ayan.
Yes, DJ.
Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm here at the Observatory Well at the AIA in Central, and then I'm going to show you over here at my back because they have the jungle decoration, or we have the jungle in the city. Yan. Iba't ibang mga type of animals here. Yan. Ang ganda guys. So, yun. Ang ganda. Tsaka ang relaxing ng view dito sa area na to guys. So, yan. Ganyan yung makikita nyo dito. If ever you want to come here guys. So, let's go. Mag-explore tayo dito sa mga Central in AIA. Yan. Observatory Well. Ayan. Hi guys! Yan. Andito ako sa my Central. Going to AIA Observatory Well. Yan. Ganda yung pool ko. Hi guys! So ang ganda ng decoration ng bridge guys. They put this lantern because of the celebration of the 25 years of turnover Hong Kong. Ayan. Ganito yung makikita nyo guys. So, ang ganda. Ito yung area guys going to the Observatory Well kasi pupunta ako doon. Magpo-video ako doon. Ayan. So, dito ako dumaan. Okay. Diyan ako pupunta. Watch out on my video. Kasi may mga decoration sila dyan. And I go with my friend Arlene. Ayan. Ayan yung kaibigan ko guys. Nauna na siya. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan guys, yung view ng AIA. Yan, Observatory Well. And, yan, madilim siya guys. Hi guys, ayan, this is the way going to the AIA Observatory Well. Yan. We can go to the jungle. Jungle in the city. Yan. Punta tayo dun guys. Kasi andito lang ako sa may Central. So, dito yung destination ko today. Yan. But, I need to take the live home safe. Ayan guys, pagpasok mo pa lang, ito na yung makikita mo dito. Yan. And, ayun, magpakita na si Haring Araw. Ito yung unang makikita mo dito. Yan. Smile! Ayan, smile. Ayan. And dito sa area na to, pwede kang maglaro. And yun, magbayad ka, maglaro ka, yun yung makukuha mo, mga stuffed toys. Yan. And ang daming tao guys so, kasi itong floor niya, picnic area, pwede kang umupo dito, kumain. Basta ano lang, be careful lang. Yan. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Yan. And sa area naman yun guys, may photo experience kung gusto mong magpicture. Ayan, punta ka dyan. And then dito naman sa AIA, kung gusto mong sumakay ka dyan sa Observatory Well. Pero for the meantime, dito ako ngayon. Hi guys! So andito ako ngayon sa AIA in Central. Ayan. Ang featured ngayon nila dito guys is about mga animals. Ayan, that one is a dog. And yun naman is si King Kong. Ang daming mga nagpipicture kasi ang ganda siyang tignan. Ayan. Tapos yun, may mga ganyan din na sign. This sign. And then there's also two ape. Yan. Yan, the ape yan. Or yung King Kong. Tapos dito naman sa area na to guys, mga iba't ibang animals. sheep, may rabbit, may chicken, may goose, may pig. Yan. Guys, ito yung makikita dito sa area na to, guys. Ang ganda siyang magpicture. And this one, guys, is here is the dinosaurs. Ayan. Ito, guys, dinosaurs naman yung picture nila dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, no? Ayan. Ayan, dinosaurs yan, guys. Wow. Ayan. Yun. And then, doon naman sa area na yun, guys, mga ano yun, yung hippopotamus, yun, guys. Hippopotamus yun, guys. Yung tatlo doon. Ayun, hippopotamus naman yun. Tapos, si giraffe. And then, doon sa area na yun, guys, may horse. Ayan. Si unicorn, yun. Andun si unicorn. And ganito, guys, yung makikita nyo dito. Yung EIA Observatory Well. Ayan, tapos may hearts. Ito lang yung makikita dito, guys, sa area na to. Ayan. Pero maganda siya. Kung gusto nyo pumasyal dito as to spend your day off, maganda, guys. Tapos may mga milk cup din, so hindi kayo magugutom. And then dito sa ganito yung overview niya dito, guys. May carousel. Before may vlog na ako dito. Pero bumalik lang ako kasi may mga features silang, mga decoration. Ayun naman si Ana. Yan, ang cute. Ang cute nito, guys. Tingnan. It's ano yung nakasulat, di ko mabasa. Yan. Ang ganda nito, guys. Ayan. May chicken. Ay, hindi. Ano? Ang ganda sa harapan niya, guys. And this area naman, guys, is they have the statue of flamingo. Yan. With a rose flower. Yan. Yan, mga carousel, guys. Ang sarap na maging bata. Try natin kaya sumakay dyan. Car. Yan. Yun. Ganito yung view niya dito, guys. Makulimlim ang panahon, kaya madilim. Yan. Ito naman mga dog. Tingnan mo, pwede palang sakayan na magpicture. Yan. Ang daming nagpipicture dito, guys. Yan. Ayun, pwede palang sumakayo. Hi guys, so I'm still here at Central with my friend Arlene. Ayan. So, yan, ngayon lang ulit kami nakita. Kulang yung isa. Wala yung isa na kaibigan namin. Ayan. Bablog na siya. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, kita yung... Ayan, guys. Ang dami ng tao ngayon. Ayan. You need to line up para makapagpa-picture. Especially dun sa area na yun, guys. Oh, ayan. Si F. Ayan. Need to line up para makapasok doon or makapagpa-picture. Ayan.
A few moments later.
This one, guys, is one of the decorations here in Tama Park as a celebration of the 25 years turnover here in Hong Kong. Yan. Guys, ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. So. Ayan, guys. Yan. Ito yung view dito. Ayan yung Bohemian Square, di ba? Daming mga plants. Ayan. Dito, guys. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. Santan. Ang ganda. And ito yung continuation yun, sinasabi ko. Blossom around the town. It's 25 years celebration. Ay, yan. Ganda guys.
Wow.
Yun. From Leisure and Cultural Services Department. Sila yung yung nag-decoration dito guys. The one is the 25 and the logo of the Bohemian Square. Yan. Ganda. So, let's go over here. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga flowers guys. Ayan. Ayan, this one is in Tamar Park. This one guys is so pretty. Is ayan o, yung reflection niya. And they have this also design here guys. But I don't know if you can enter inside. Just like this. Yan, ang ganda. Ayan. Ayan, pwede palang pumasok guys. So let's enter. Yan. This one is made of roof. Roof siya guys. And yan. Ayun. This one guys is a turtle. Yan. Because according to the Chinese, turtle is a good signs of symbols for anniversary, good motive. So kaya isa ito sa motive dito for the 25 years of celebration, the turnover of Hong Kong. Yan. This one guys is obscure ban, and humans have grown curious about the things around the science beginning of their existence. Ayan guys. And made by Chung Kit Chok. Ito. Ang ganda guys. Oh. Galing nung nagpainting. Until there. Ayan. Nakakalula siya. Ayan. Ang ganda. Nakakahilo. Ayan. Ganito yung itsura niya guys from here. It seems that you are in the top of the building. Yeah. This one naman guys is a Eternal Light of a Seashell. Yan by Science in Art and Coral Pax.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know didn't know what hit me when we started.
So ayan guys, yun lang yung video ko for today. Yan. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! Bye guys!